In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between two popular email marketing platforms, AWeber and Kit, previously known as ConvertKit. As we explore these tools, you'll discover how they cater to different audiences and which might be the best fit for your needs in 2025. Let's start with AWeber. It's often recognized as the more beginner-friendly choice. This platform offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor and boasts a wide range of templates. If you're running a small business or a nonprofit, AWeber simplifies the process of creating branded newsletters. What's really beneficial is that you don't need a lot of technical know-how. Plus, with integrations to over 750 tools, it really expands what you can do by connecting to other apps you're already using. On the other hand, we have Kit, which adopts a minimalist approach to email creation. It focuses heavily on a plain text editor, appealing to creators who want that personal touch in their emails. However, it doesn't provide the design flexibility that businesses might expect if they're sending out more polished or professional campaigns. When we talk about automation, Kit is particularly strong. Its tagging system and conditional workflows allow creators to build highly targeted campaigns. This feature is a real win for bloggers, educators, and digital product sellers. Though it's worth noting that the setup can be a bit complex and getting the hang of the tagging logic could take a bit of time for new users. In contrast, AWeber does offer automation, but it's somewhat limited. It's great for simple sequences like welcome emails or basic drip campaigns. However, it's not ideal for more advanced funnels. Considering integrations, AWeber again has a broader range with a larger ecosystem of supported apps. Kit, meanwhile, supports around 320 apps, which is respectable but not as extensive. Now, let's talk customer support. AWeber sets itself apart by offering 24/7 live chat, email, and phone assistance. This is crucial, especially if you anticipate needing immediate, direct help. Kit, while still offering chat and email support based on your plan, doesn't provide phone support. This might be a downside if you prefer immediate assistance. Pricing is another important point. AWeber's free plan for up to 500 subscribers makes it accessible for newcomers or those with smaller subscriber lists. Kit, having moved away from a permanent free plan, now offers only a 14-day trial. After that, you'll need to upgrade. This shift can potentially make Kit more costly over time as your list grows. Ultimately, your decision hinges on your goals. AWeber is excellent for businesses wanting attractive, easy-to-use templates, a simple platform, and strong support at a wallet-friendly price. Kit is geared more towards creators who value automation, audience segmentation, and a personal, text-driven communication approach. To sum it up, AWeber stands out in simplicity and support, whereas Kit shines with its creator-focused automation capabilities.